Good morning. I'm going to try to keep today's video quick because we only have a 30-minute class, but today's lesson's pretty simple anyway. We're going to be talking about what are called factorials today, and we're going to use this on Thursday and Friday's lesson, so it's useful if you've seen these before. So what are factorials? Well, they are the product of all positive integers less than or equal to n, and n is whatever number you start with. And the symbol for a factorial is an exclamation point. So some examples of basic factorials. You see 5 with an exclamation point, you read this as 5 factorial. That means 5 is the n number. And we're going to do the product, which means multiply 5 times all positive numbers less than or equal to that one. So start with 5 and count down all the way till you get to 1. All positive numbers less than or equal to that number. So if you're doing 8 factorial, that means start with 8 and multiply it by every single number all the way down to 1. Stop at 0, because if you times anything by 0, it just turns the answer into 0. We don't want any negative numbers, so we stop at 1. That's the last number to use for each one of these. All right, now that's the middle school version of how this works. We're going to take it to the next level. We're going to be simplifying factorials. So we're going to see factorials in a fraction form, and our job is to simplify. So the first step is to expand the factorials. So in my numerator, that is 6 all the way down to 1. Excuse me. And denominator, that'll be a 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. All right, step 2. Reduce or cancel out all the matching pairs. The 4's cancel, the 3's cancel, the 2's cancel, and the 1's cancel. All those matching numerator to denominators, they don't really cancel. They turn into 1. But we all know that when you times by 1 and divide by 1, you're not changing anything, so why write it? 3. Multiply out what's left. So in my numerator, I just got 6 times 5, 30. My denominator, there's nothing left, so it's a 1. All those really canceled out numbers are 1s. And then reduce. There's my answer, 30. All right, let's try another one. This one's got a multiple factorial in the bottom. Let's go through the same steps. Step 1, let's write this out in expanded form. So numerator is 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Denominator, well, it's 2 parts. The first part is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And then the second part is 2 times 1. So now I'm going to cancel out all the matching parts. Well, I've got this 1's that match and these 2's that match. And then this 3 matches out with that 3. And then this 4 matches out with that 4. But that's it. So now let's multiply what's left. In the numerator, I got 7 times 6 times 5. And of course, calculator's your buddy on these. I don't expect you to know that. It makes 210. Then the denominator, there's still a 2 times 1. And then reduce. 110 divided by 2 makes 105. So nothing too crazy today. Hopefully it's, again, a quick and simple one because we will be using this particular skill on Thursday and Friday's lesson. All right, good luck.